I'm going to show you how to buy Lucky Block token with Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. So first you will need to download Trust Wallet from your Play Store or App Store. For me, I personally like Trust Wallet more than MetaMask because it's simpler to use. Now once you have it downloaded, then what you need to do is, for me it's already showing Lucky Block, but if you are not able to see this Lucky Block token like what I am seeing, then you simply click on receive, okay, and search for this Lucky Block token, that is BEP20. Now once you click here, then the Lucky Block token will show over here, okay. Now the first thing that you will need to do is click on Lucky Block. As you can see, there is no option to buy. Usually the option to buy comes over here. Now in this case, what we will need to do is we need to buy this smart chain, that is Binance BEP20, and swap it with Lucky Block token. So as you can see, there is an option to buy here. So for me, MoonPay, which is a third party provider, is providing the best rate. And the minimum amount that you need to put in is $50. You can put more if you want, you can put in million, that's fine. But oh yeah, it's showing maximum 20,000 at one time. So see, the provider has changed now. Instead of MoonPay, it's RAM, third party provider. Now once you buy this, it will show your balances over here, which is BEP20. Now PancakeSwap won't recognize BEP2, which is the normal Binance chain. So now what you need to do is you need to go to dApps, which you can see at the bottom. I will just show you over here. In case if you don't see this option, this is mostly applicable for iOS user. In this case, I will leave a link in the description where I will show you how to activate this dApps in your iOS Trust Wallet. So for me right now I am using Android, so it's perfectly fine. So I will head to dApps, and as you can see in the history, you can see PancakeSwap, but if you don't see it, then just go down in DeFi and click on PancakeSwap. Now as you can see, my wallet is already connected. In case the wallet is not connected, you just have to click over here, click connect, and authorize the Trust Wallet with PancakeSwap. Now since this is just a test wallet, I don't have any BNB balance over here. So what you need to do is click on this trade, okay, and it will come to this swap. Now what you need to do is you need to swap your BNB BEP20 tokens with Lucky Block tokens. So since right now I don't have the balance over here, here you can see it's BNB and here it's cake. So I need to change this to Lucky Block now. So I will just check Lucky Block. See, if you are using this for the first time, this L block, it won't show in PancakeSwap. So like see this coins, LFG, LKTA, Lamao. So you will need to import it. Once you have successfully imported it, then you can see this option. Now as you can see, it's showing the option of BNB and L block. Please note that PancakeSwap will only show BEP20 option and not BEP2. So you will need to buy the black colored Binance Smart Chain BNB. Now let's say if I want to buy using one BNB. So as per the current rate, I would be getting close to 200,000 L block token. Since there is no balance, it's showing me insufficient balance. But once you have the balance, then you just have to click over here. There will option will come to swap the tokens. So once you click on swap, you need to pay a small gas fee because for every transaction you will need to pay a gas fee. So once that is done, when you click on swap, then the tokens would be swapped. So you need to cancel this and just go to your wallet and wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, you just refresh your wallet and you will see this Lucky Block token in your wallet. So as of now, this is the best way to buy Lucky Block tokens. Lucky Block community is also working on listing this token on other exchanges. Like latest news, I have heard that there would be a CX listing soon. So yeah, people can buy using fiat. But if you want to be an early bird and get into this Lucky Block chain, then this is the best way which is suggested. The alternative way is you can buy it through L Bank also. But for me, this is a much better option because all your tokens and all your funds are in wallet. So hopefully you guys understood how to buy a Lucky Block token. In case if you have any doubt or queries, just put the comment. As soon as I check it, I will revert you back. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Hope you like it.